Welcome back to Ladybug Lane Soaps, everybody. And thank you so much for joining me. All right, I got to tell you something funny. So, a gal was going to be coming here at 2 o'clock to pick up a bathroom vanity that she was buying from us. And don't know where she was coming from, because I was just thinking maybe local. Yep, here's my goggles. Put those on. And so I was thinking, okay, so I was going to have a little bit of time, and so I made one batch of soap, and then I was waiting, and I was like, oh my gosh, I wanted to get this one going. So 2 o'clock turned into 2:30. 2:30 turned into 3, and then 3 o'clock turned into almost 3:30. And so she finally showed up with her husband. And so what happened is they were coming through Seattle, which is way north of us. And they were stuck in traffic because of an accident. And, I was just about ready to, send her a text message and say, you know what, I got to get going, lady, But my eldest son, Morgan, he says, Mom, maybe they're stuck in traffic or something. So, yeah, he was right. So, anyway, here we are, batch number 2 for the day. And so what's going on, gang, is a long time ago, I had made this soap. And the fragrance oil was from Nurture Soap. And it was called Love Type, not Love Spell, but Love Type. I think it was a Victoria secret dupe, if I'm saying that right. And it is such a strong fragrance oil. You can smell the cinnamon, way too heavy on the cloves. It probably has your jasmine, lily of the valley, and so this soap in here, I made this probably a good 3 years ago, and as soon as I take this lid off, it just smells way too strong. So I think a couple of years ago, Carrie from Nurture Soap, she discontinued that because it just turned everybody's soap into soap on a stick. It just accelerated like that. And so as much, I suppose, as other people enjoyed the fragrance, it was just one of those unmanageable things. So she has discontinued it. So I thought today, since there's shea butter and cocoa butter and all those other ingredients that are so expensive, I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna turn it into a layered soap. So here is my kaolin clay, and I did put a little bit of water in there. And of course now it's all stuck to the bottom, sure. Hello. Ah, look at that. It looks like putty. Oh my gosh. So anyway, well, I hope everybody is doing good. This is the middle of June already. Oh my gosh, I was going to say July. See, I'm still all not Twitter pated, but I just like to get my day going, get the kitchen cleaned up after soaping, and then you gotta wait. But anyway, that's neither here nor there right now. So I'm gonna turn this on for a minute and get the kaolin clay all stirred up. Get the little bubbles out. Alrighty, enough of that noise, huh? I just leave that in there. Okay, so, oh, and I forgot to show you the colorants that I'm going to be using today. So I think on the bottom, let's see if I can get a little bit closer up there. What is that? Oh, Red Violet. And that's from Nurture Soap. And this one, I believe, has been discontinued some time ago, which is unfortunate because here's this beautiful color. Probably a little hard to see. And then there is the Pink Vibrance, which is still available. Hopefully you can see that. So that's gonna be on in the middle, I think, and then I'm gonna have the white on top. So anyway, so cross your fingers, gang, that this all turns out, because there is a secret fragrance oil that I'm going to be putting in here, which is right here. Believe it or not, it has a Christmas name to it. It's from Wellington, but it does not smell too Christmassy. It's definitely kind of more of a floral. And I'm going to open up the window here, and I have my little hummingbird feeder that you can't see, but it's right behind me. So, all right, gang, I think let's get going here. I guess without further ado, we'll get making some soap. Alrighty, get careful, careful. Down the stick blender it goes, just so it doesn't go splashy, splashy. Now that is thickening up already. That's interesting. I don't even have the fragrance oil in there yet. Well, gee golly. I think the oils, oh, I forgot to take the temp of the oils. I have a feeling they were just a little bit, 86.9. Well, that's not bad. See if I can not make a holy mess here. Okay, what do we got? We got 7 cups. Where's my cups? Let me call you sweetheart. I'm in love with you. Okay, let's get the mica in here first, because I'm not quite sure how this Christmas fragrance oil is going to behave. I don't like surprises. All right. That's a pretty color. Or was that that was the pink, wasn't it? Oh, let me see. Did I put the wrong one in? Oh, gracious Lord. Let's see. Ah, yeah, this is the Red Violet. Oh my gosh. I'm so funny. Come on, get on there. Oh. Okay, now I'm just making a mess. So let's put a splash of this in and cross my fingers. That all will be well. Okay, I just want to give that just a very quick. Okay. Get a little handful. Look at that mess I made again. Okay.